All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at R and J phonics in English. So R and J. So rat. Rat. There we are. Rat. Rat. And carry. 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 Not car Y, but carry. 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 And right. Right. Not writ, but right. Right. Yes. Right. Right. And rhino. Yeah, rhino. How cool is that? And jet. Jet. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Jet. Jet. And gentle. Gentle. Not nettle. Gentler. Gentle. 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 And large. Not largy. Large. Large. And judge. Udge. Judge. 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 And adjust. ADJ. Adjust. It'll be a J. Adjust. Adjust. Adjust something. Adjust. Yeah. Adjust. How cool is that? So, rat, carry, right, rhino, jet, gentle, large, judge, adjust. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.